नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, बात करते हैं बैंक पेंशन अपडेशन के बारे में। डॉक्टर जेडी शर्मा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट राइज, ने अपना एक मैसेज शेयर किया है, वो मैं आपसे बताता हूँ। रेगुलेशन 35(1) ऑफ द बैंक एम्प्लॉइज पेंशन रेगुलेशन 1995 provided for updation of pension for those who retired between 1st January 86 and 31st October 1987, as they alone were eligible for updation at the time of introduction of pension in banks in the year 1993, retrospectively from 1st January 86. Updation was accordingly done to extend the benefit of salary revision from 1st January 87. Second point, no updation has been done thereafter for a salary revision on 1st November 92, 1st November 97, 1st November 2002, 1st November 2007, 1st November 2012, 1st November 2017 and 1st November 2022. This is in spite of the fact that Pension Regulation 35(1) was amended in March 2003 and made open-ended through notification in the Gazette of Union of India as under: basic pension and additional pension wherever applicable shall be updated as per formula given in Appendix-I. The government is required to notify the pension updation factor for every salary revision as done in case of RVI with effect from 1st March 2019. It needs no further settlement or OMU as is being wrongly envisaged. Third point, bank pension scheme was on the similar lines of RBI/government pension scheme. It was so reiterated by IBA through letter to Sri R.N. Godbole, GS IBOC 93-94, when it was demanded to retain the revision of DA on quarterly basis as is done for serving employee salary. It was mentioned that it could not be considered as it is not available for RBI pensioner as bank pension scheme is on the line of RBI pension scheme. Having extended the benefit of updation to RBI NABARD pensioner, it is unfair to deny to bank pensioners. Fourth point, the government filed an affidavit in Bombay High Court in case of RBI updation that if updation is allowed to RBI, there will be similar demands from the pensioner of other public sector banks, financial institutions who were not doing well. Then, first point, all banks are doing well now. The net profit of public sector banks was more than rupees 1,46,000 crores in the year ended 31st March 24. Second point, moreover, the bank pension is paid out of pension funds of public sector banks. The pension fund as on 31st March 24 was rupees 3,64,298 crores and is expected to cross the rupees 4 lakh crore during the current year. Third point, the interest income and mandatory contribution to pension fund during the year 2023 were rupees 40,254 crores as against which the pension and family pension paid was rupees 30,887 crores. यानी कि जो मैंडेटरी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन था वो 40,254 करोड़ था और फैमिली पेंशन वाज द पेंशन एंड फैमिली पेंशन वाज पेड ओनली रुपीज 30,887 करोड़. It leaves a comfortable cushion to meet the annual cost of pension updation at rupees 3,288 crores. The detailed calculation sheet bank-wise have already been submitted to IBA DFS in the year 1920 and again in 22. Fourth point, since bank pension scheme is close-ended after introduction of new pension scheme, with effect from 1st April 2010, and there having been a ban on recruitment between 85 and 97-98, the number of pensioners is not likely to increase in next 10 to 12 years, as there are hardly any people in service who joined prior to 1985, that is the 39 years ago. On the contrary, the number of aging pensioners will continue to diminish during next 10 to 20 years by application of law of nature. This phenomena will make the pension fund robust further. Fifth, although technically the pension fund belongs to the pensioner through their trust, it will get converted into bank's reserve when the last pensioner dues in the course of time. Hence, it is incorrect to treat the provision for pension fund as an expense. It is rather an interest yielding long-term investment by the banks. डॉक्टर J.D. शर्मा, और उनका मोबाइल नंबर भी दिया हुआ है। डॉक्टर J.D. शर्मा ने जो एग्जॉस्टिव रूप से कंक्लूसिव अपने राइटअप में लिखा है कि बैंक पेंशन अपडेशन का कोई रीजन नहीं होना चाहिए, तो गवर्नमेंट बार बार इसको मना कर देती है। उन्होंने एग्जॉस्टिव रूप से सेक्शन 30 क्लॉज जो 35(1) है उसको एलोबरेट करते हुए आरबीआई में पेंशन होने और क्या सोचा गया था कि अब आरबीआई में पेंशन लागू किया गया था कि पेंशन अपडेशन के लिए पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स भी डिमांड करेंगे। हालांकि जहां तक पेंशन फंड की बात है, ये उम्मीद जताई जा रही थी इस करंट ईयर के लास्ट तक 4 लाख करोड़ का जो रोबस्ट फंड हो जाएगा, जो हमारा एनुअल एक्सपेंसेस आएंगे वो आसानी से मीट आउट हो जाएगा। और जो फर्दर जो रिटायरमेंट की जो नई स्कीम आने की वजह से जब जितने भी पुराने हमारे पेंशनर्स हैं वो अगले 10-12 साल के बाद एग्जॉस्टिव हो जाएंगे। ये सब सारी बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए यूओबीओ, चूंकि हमारा इस बारे में कोई पक्ष अपना रिटायरीज का पक्ष, रिटायरीज की बातें आईबीए के सामने तो डीएफएस के सामने और गवर्नमेंट के सामने नहीं रखती है, जिससे कि एक पेंशन अपडेशन करने के लिए जो गवर्नमेंट के पास लॉजिकली कोई हमारा मुद्दा रखा नहीं जाता है। रिटायरी एसोसिएशन ने सारी डिटेल एराइज ने आईबीए को पहले ही दिया है, लेकिन बात आगे बढ़ाने के लिए कम से कम यूओबीओ को इस पक्ष को अपना पक्ष रखना चाहिए ताकि गवर्नमेंट इससे कन्विंस हो गए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।